viewers, ready to dive into the world of awesome opportunities?
Well, we've got something special for you, IB curriculum.
Let me break it down for you.
First off, IB is your golden tickets to universities worldwide. No kidding, it's like a VIP pass to the global education fiesta.
Whether you're dreaming in India or beyond, IB opens the door wide. Cool, right?
And
Guess what? IB isn't just about books, it's about having global mindset.
we're talking about understanding different cultures, thinking big and being open to the world. It's not just a class, it's a global party.
Now let's talk about the VU vibe, where we're all about being more than just simple bookworms. VU brings the party in with a mix of academics along with creativity, action, and service, otherwise known as CAS. Because it's not about getting good grades, it's about enhancing new skills.
IB is known for its critical thinking and research skills.
We're talking about going beyond the norm and doing your own thing, becoming a real game changer.
Are you ready for the challenge? IB is a very flexible curriculum. There are subjects you can choose from and anything that excites you, you can take on that.
IB offers both higher level and starter level subjects to go in depth for your own exploration and offers a baseline authenticity for your standard level subjects.
It all depends on your preference.
Oh, and did I mention credits? Yeah, you can get some serious street cred by taking certain IB subjects. It's like getting a head start towards the university game.
At VU, we've got a spot reserved just for you IB peeps. We're all about diversity and making learning scene a blast.
Can't wait to see you own the spotlight and make some epic memories here at VU. Ready to roll? Let's do this.